What's up, y'all? It's a beautiful Saturday. We just got off of 3-4 days of no power because of the freeze. Everything was covered in ice. But it worked out. I jerry-rigged the furnace so it would run off the generator, and I used that Hobart 145 welder generator to give us heat for the last couple days. So that worked out. Yeah, I haven't posted in a while because I've been working at a good job that I didn't really expect to get, but it's really good. But I found out that I still need to do this to stay just personally fulfilled. So, what I'm doing today is I've got this boat trailer that I may have previously showed that I was going to use to get into welding and turn it into a welding trailer, and I'm still going to do just that. So what I've done so far is these were totally rusted bolts that go through a 480 12 tire that I think I can just get from like a Harbor Freight kind of place. So that's where I'm starting. They were really hard to get off, and I didn't want to snap them. So what I did was I used a bunch of WD-40 and then a breaker bar with a 19 mil and an extension, and just kind of went at them a little bit, and I got them all, broke them all free, and now I'm going to use an impact to pull them the rest of the way off. And that's what it looks like right now. Big long neck on it because it used to have a fishing boat on it. So, okay, so I got the wheels off. It's pretty grimy in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some brake cleaner and a flathead and maybe some other stuff to clean this all up. And then get some fresh tires. It's kind of a rickety trailer. It's not rickety, but it's not meant for a lot of weight. So I'm going to have to keep that in mind when I'm fabricating this trailer. Eventually I might size up, but this is a good start. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I cleaned up wheel wells a bit. Got kind of all the grime out of these bearing areas. And what I'm going to do now is I got a wire wheel on that drill. But I'm going to use the wire wheel on the angle grinder because it's a little more aggressive. And I'm going to get all the rust off of here because once I put a floor on this thing, the underside is going to be a lot harder to get to. So I might as well get that all the way out, all out of the way. And then I'll probably just throw a coat of paint on it, keep the rust away. Okay, so I ground down a good amount of the rust. So all these hubs and stuff like that, much nicer and cleaner than they were before. All this stuff's hard to get to, so I'm probably not even going to deal with that. Probably just paint it right over it. Fuck it. Then all the way here, even the back side of this one, starting to lose the light. Might put a coat of paint on this. I'll probably get back to it tomorrow. See y'all later.